Oh, what is up?
Hey guys, oh what's up?
Hey guys, oh welcome back to my channel. So yes, I know what you're all thinking. Where have I been? As most of you guys know, I haven't posted a video in quite a few weeks, and I do have an explanation for that. For those of you that don't know, I do work 2 jobs, so I am literally working every single day, and it's just hard for me to find a day to film, because those of you that do YouTube know that filming pretty much takes all day, and it's not something that you can just squeeze into a day that is already planned. You really need like a full day to just sit down and record. So I have just been super busy, and like I said, it's been hard for me to find a day to just film. But luckily today I had no plans. I made sure to not make any plans today. Today is my day off. So I figured, what a better way than to film a video for you guys. And yes, today I'm going to be doing a makeup video, because I have not done one of those in forever, it feels like. Yeah, I feel like it's just been forever since I filmed a makeup video, and my last video was kind of like a vlog type video. It wasn't necessarily like a vlog, it was more just like a talk through video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I have owned this like for a while now. Probably I got it like a week after it came out, and I used it for quite a while after I got it. I was using it every single day, and yeah, I just thought, why don't I just do a tutorial on this, because I haven't done one, and the colors in here are just super pretty, and these are my colors, warm tones, anything warm tones. So before we get started, I do just want to say the look I'm going to be doing today, I did get inspiration from Jamie Genevieve, I believe is what her name is, here on YouTube, and I will leave her video linked down in the description if you want to check that out. Okay, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I got my eyelids primed and cleaned my brows a little bit, so we're just going to jump right into the palettes now. So obviously we're using the Soft Glam by Anastasia palette today. And the first shade Jamie went into is the burnt orange shade right here. The one thing that I really liked about Jamie was that she didn't use any tape for this tutorial. Usually in my tutorials you see me use tape so I can get that sharp edge. And it's just an awesome guide for eyeliner as well, so I'm used to just doing that every time, and that's just what I do now, so it's been hard for me to like kind of get away from using that method. And yeah, Jamie just didn't use any, so that just pushed me even more to want to do this tutorial. So the way she is applying this is she's just putting it on her crease like with just a regular color, going in circular motions and just kind of bringing it out a little bit. I'm doing that same thing to the other eye. I honestly love this palette, and when I first got it I was using it every single day for like a few weeks, and then I was just like, okay, I need to stop using this for a while because I'm using it too much and my looks are just looking the same every day. And with me, I kind of like to do different things just so it doesn't look like I do the same look every single day. It's just an awesome palette. The colors blend really, really well. They're really pigmented, and it's just an awesome palette. So if you want to try it, I definitely highly recommend you to go buy it. And I think her price points are awesome too. They're not too expensive, but they're not like super cheap. So that's always a plus. So the next step she did was with that same shade, she's going to start building up the inner corner a little bit, just kind of placing a little bit of color there. She really intensifies the inner corners with darker shades, but she just put this color down as well, just to kind of give it a base so it doesn't look too harsh or anything like that. So that is what we're doing. So the next color we are going to use is Sienna, which is the color next to that burnt orange. And with this one, we're going to just start deepening it up. With this color, we're just going to start building it up, putting it on the outer corner, blending it, and then we're going to start building that inner corner as well. Now that sienna shade is put down, I'm going to go back in with a fluffier blending brush and just kind of blend it all together. Make sure it looks seamless and nice. And then the next thing she does right after this was she connects the two lines, because as you can tell, we really focus that color on the outer and then the inner, and now we just need to kind of connect it. So after this, I'm going to go back in and connect the colors. So the next step after this she did was she went straight into her lower lash line and grabbed that sienna shade and put it under there. But since I don't do my foundation first, I'm going to skip that step for now and come back to that after I do my foundation. So after she does her under lash line, she goes into the shade Mulberry, which is just this really red toned color in the corner, and she really focuses that on the outer corner, grabbing little bits at a time to slowly intensify it. Then she'll grab a flat concealer brush and grab that same shade Mulberry and start applying it to the inner corner just to be more precise. So that is what I will be doing right now. Grabbing a brush, dipping it into Mulberry, and applying it to the outer corner. Now I'm just going to go back and intensify that a little bit more and connect the color. Ever so slightly, just because these colors are pigmented and you don't want to ruin it. Okay, so now it is cut crease time, and for this look we are doing a spotlight cut crease. So for those of you that don't know what that is it's basically a cut crease in the middle of your eye. So usually when people do cut creases, they start from the inner corner and either cut their whole eyelid or they just do halfway, and the spotlight is just middle. You just start in the middle, and that's what we're doing with this look today. And the concealer I'm going to use is the Tarte Shape Tape. So we're going to go ahead and apply this, and then we're going to look up so the concealer stamps where you should put it. And then what she does now is she's going to grab a blending brush, and I know this is not even, but we're just going to blend those edges out before they dry. And now what I'm going to go do is get a little more concealer and try to even them out a little bit. So after you get to this concealer to look somewhat similar, this is the best that I could get it. I honestly blended and tried to put more concealer to make it match for probably like 15 minutes just now. I had to do it off camera. So once you get to the step down, we're going to set that concealer with the first shade in the palettes right here, which is just like a white shade, white creamy shade, and we're just going to set that concealer, and I'm going to use that same flat brush because that's what Jamie did, so I'm going to do it as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go back with my brush and I'm going to blend the edges out. And so she started with burnt orange and then sienna, so that's what we're going to do as well. And I want to make sure those edges are blended in so you don't have that harsh line right there. To go in with the mulberry shade with a pencil brush. A trick that Jamie did was she grabbed this dark shade and kind of outlined the cut crease just to make it stand out more. So that's what we're gonna do as well. And then what she does now is she grabs her concealer again and lightly puts some up here just to define that one more time, and then sets it with that white eyeshadow again. And then make sure to set that with the white eyeshadow again. So now she grabs the Stila glitter in the shade Kitten Karma and she stipples this on the center, and that is what we're going to do as well. So we're just going to grab some and then stipple it on. this is what we should have so far. The last step that she did for her eyes was she applied some winged eyeliner, and I think I'm gonna leave the winged eyeliner out for this look just because I like how it looks as is. And yeah, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just line my upper lash line. Alright, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup off of camera just because my battery is running low and I don't want this video to be crazy long, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. The lashes that I will be putting on with this look are the Farrah Huda Beauty lashes, which look like these. And yeah, I will see you guys in a second with the rest of my face on. Alright, I am back with my full face, and I still have you guys zoomed in because I'm going to finish off this look with you guys, and by that I mean I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to go for a nude lip today, and let's see here, I'm looking in my lip bag right now. Okay, I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in the shade Oak, and this one is extremely nude. It's almost like transparent on my skin tone. Do my go-to liquid lipstick, which is a Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the shade 33. Alright, so this is the complete look. What do you all think? I actually really love how this turned out. I honestly think I could have done the cut crease a little bit better, but it is what it is. I think it still looks great, and I'm really happy I ran into Jamie's video. She really inspired me to do and try something different, and I'm really glad that I was able to do this for you guys today. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss another video from me. I'm really trying to get back into the groove of things, and like in my previous video that I stated, I really want to start doing vlogs. Just because I feel like those are really fun, and I just have to, you know, find the time to do it because, like I said, I work mostly all the time, so I'm never doing like adventurous crazy things, but yeah, I think vlogging will definitely make me step out of my comfort zone and just do things, try and do new things. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see from me, or just let me know how you guys like this look. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left your mark on me.